Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. So today is gonna be quick. I just gotta pack some orders today and I want to send a little care package to my mom because she's been harassing me for my face cream and for my hair oil. So I'm sending that to her today so she can get off my back. And also I have a customer who's like shopped with me so many times, y'all, and she was asking me like what I do for my hair, and I just said, oh, I just use my hair oil and XYZ. And she was like, oh, like how much is it? And I'm like, girl, I'll just send it to you because I swear this girl has like bought like a million things from me, like, oop, I'm not even kidding. And she still interacts with me on social media. So I was like, girl, I'm gonna just send you a bottle. So I gotta make an extra package for her as well. And yeah, let's get into packing these orders, y'all. So I actually prefer to ship with bags, but USPS can be so rough. And I had like found myself getting like a lot of people telling me like their oil and stuff broke, and then it started costing me too much money having to send like resend people packages. So I was like, let me go back to boxes. Boxes are a lot more time consuming, obviously, like, and you want to cut your time as much as possible where you can when you have like a small business, but I'm just gonna be doing boxes forever probably. All right, so I also like to grab some of this stuffing. Okay, it really helps. You can't just throw the package or whatever you have in the box because it will still break. You got to make sure it's cushioned. And so our first order is from Richard, and he ordered my elderberry men's infused lip balm, and he ordered a 4-ounce body oil, men's face and body oil. So I like to put this their little receipt thing in there. And where'd he go? Oh, we have his lip balm here. I never thought so many people would buy lip balm, but this lip balm is fire, I'm not gonna lie. And then also we have our men's oil, so I'm gonna put that in here. So I am gonna send a free lip gloss with every order, like I told you guys. Maybe he has a girlfriend. I also have like these face rollers. I'll probably send those out as free gifts during the holidays, like for Black Friday. But I need to get rid of these lip gloss so I can, whatchamacallit. So y'all, I have this little heat gun I got the other day and I love it. I think it's so cool, so I can start sealing my products better. I'm so behind, but hey, I'm leveling up week by week. Girl, when did I unplug you? But this is really great to have when you have a small business. All you need is this little heat gun, and then you can get these little like plastic sealers on Amazon, and it just is better quality for your product and customer and everything, and less spillage and stuff too. So you just don't hold it too close in the same spot too long. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, that's nice and sealed. So I need to get different size sealers too. I don't have the sealers for my body scrub, but I'm not shipping body scrub today, so that's okay. So after I have that in there, then I like to put another layer of this stuff. What is it called? Scrap, whatever. Crinkle paper. And then I add a nice thank you card on top. Yeah, there's some more things that I want to do to make my packaging better. I'd always prefer to have like non-assuming packaging because people like to steal, so I think the plainer the better. But for marketing purposes, where's my tape? I was thinking about putting like a QR code on the outside. Where is my tape? Oh, it's all the way over there. What was I saying? Okay. For marketing purposes, I was thinking about putting a QR code on the outside of the box, but we'll see. So I'm gonna just tape that. So I'm also currently in the process of redoing all my labels because my labels are not very cohesive and they just could be a lot better. And then like I was like looking on like some of my old labels and stuff is just like not named right, and all these things is not in the proper order as far as like the ingredients and stuff like that. So I just need to redo them. I am gonna just use a bag for this 16-ounce bottle today because those don't really spill like that, and the bags are cheaper. They're just cheaper. Boxes are very expensive, y'all. Like, you have to factor that into your cost when you have a business. So I'm also gonna put a thank you card and their receipt in the bag. And then we're gonna give them a free lip gloss as well. Her name is Raffaele. Okay, that's a cute name. Okay, girl, I hope you enjoy your lip gloss. And y'all, you have to make sure you also tape your bags closed. So I've had several, like, if I forget to put a piece of tape on it, y'all, I don't know what USPS be doing, but like, I've had customers show me their package completely empty. Like, USPS still delivered the bag, but like with nothing in it. And I'm like, did everything fall out or did y'all steal it? Like, I'm so confused by this. So I just make sure I tape everything closed. The boxes, the bags, I don't care. All of it. All right, what do we got next? Next, we have an order from Rashad. He got my His and Hers men's body oil set, you guys. This is them. They're so nice. So I'm actually gonna change the bottle color soon. This one brown and this one white. Oh, they're so nice, y'all. So I'm gonna put them in there, nice and pretty. All right, so we have the His and Hers. I'm gonna add their lip gloss or lip oil. I keep calling it a lip gloss. And then I'm gonna add their receipt with that face down so y'all don't see their info. Then I'm gonna add some more crinkle paper on top. And then we have our lovely thank you card. And this QR code will take them right back to the website, and then they can use the code back again for 15% off their order. So next we have my favorite, this person, Nia. She ordered my Common Clear face oil, and she also ordered my hair growth oil. Thank you so much, Nia. All right, so we have our lovely hair oil and we have our Clean and Clear face oil. I love these bottles so much. They're so beautiful, y'all. The ingredients are fire. Chef's kiss, especially for people that have like really oily skin like me, who really do not like to look greasy like that. I freaking love this oil. Like, yeah, it's just really great. So I'm gonna add my hair oil and then the face oil. These are both glass, so when you have two glass bottles in one package, like, you have to make sure you put a lot of crinkle paper or tissue, whatever you want to use to pack your stuff. You make sure you put like a decent amount, especially because my face oil is like very heavy glass. I don't want that to break, and it's so expensive to make too. Like, that's not something that I want to be having to send out like at all over and over again. That would really stress me out. The face oil is too expensive to make. All right, so let's put a thank you card in here for her. And boom. Does packaging really matter to you guys? Like, this is something I go back and forth on. Like, I really wanna, you know, level up my packaging, but again, it's also a cost. Like, it's not cheap. And I always wonder, like, I think men don't care as much as women do. Women definitely love a pretty package, but pretty packaging costs a pretty penny too. So we'll see. And then the last label that I actually have printed is a 4-ounce men's oil. I don't want to bore you guys to death packing orders, so I think I might just cut this video short. Oh, I forgot to give the other girl lip gloss. Did I give her a lip gloss? No, I gotta open that box back up and give my good sis a lip gloss. Ah! I can't believe I just did that. Oh my goodness gracious. I got the lip glosses sitting right here in my face for a reason, and I still forgot. I mean, like the game is good. And this package is for Raven Campbell. Girl, I really hope you enjoy your lip oil and your body oil. Let me put, girl, see, this is why I can't be chatting and packing orders is crazy. I can't pack too many orders on camera because, honey, I will start forgetting stuff. I almost forgot my good sis thank you card. And you want to be very consistent. You want every package to look the same. The times I like have forgotten thank you cards, I always feel really bad because I'm like, dang, that person did not get the same experience as everybody else. And actually, I remember one time I forgot to put a thank you card in this lady's order, and she actually emailed me and told me, and I felt so bad. I felt so bad. She was like, Morgan, the last time I ordered from you, your packaging was so beautiful and something else. And then I think I have forgot something in her order, but that's why it's not good for me to like try. One, I already got a label on it. It's not good for me to do too much yapping and talking. Too much yapping while I'm trying to pack orders. Y'all be messing stuff up. For real. Alright, let's get my good sis a lip gloss. I'm pretty sure I gave everybody else a lip gloss. I'm 90% sure. All right. So lastly, I just gotta send my mom, I'm gonna send my mom some body butter, face scrub, hair oil, vitamin C cream, and some tea, because those are her favorite things. I don't know if she's gonna, if I send her my face oil, she ain't never gonna let me get past that. As soon as she run out, she gonna be like, send me another one, send me another one, send me another one. I'm gonna wait to send her that until Christmas time. And then I gotta send this other customer my hair oil. But since I'm not shipping these until Monday, I'm probably just gonna pack them later when I pack all the rest of my orders that I have left on my computer after I make my beard oil. And hopefully I get a bunch more orders over the weekend, so I'm having a big trip Monday morning. I need to get out of the house, so I'm gonna go sit at the cafe to get some work done, y'all, for a couple of hours. Enjoy this beautiful Friday. It's a lovely day outside. It looks like it's starting to get a little bit cold in Dallas. Also, I took some lobster meat out of my freezer. I get this fire like pre-cut up lobster meat for lobster rolls from Whole Foods. It's so good, you guys. But I don't have a lemon, and I only have one brioche roll, so I'm thinking I need to order some stuff from Whole Foods to see. You know, I want to make my lobster rolls today, but if they don't deliver today, then I might have to just, they don't have delivery till tomorrow. I could go pick it up. I haven't been to the grocery store in a long time. I really could do that. I could do that. Should I go to the grocery store today? I could go study for a few hours and I could go to Whole Foods and I come home. Do I want to do that? Do I want to be sitting in traffic? It's already 1 o'clock. We'll see. Anyways, this is the end of this video. Next week, y'all, I'm going to start vlogging my days. Like, I'm going to start vlogging my days because I'm committed to getting up earlier in the morning. The only way I can really vlog my days is if I get up mad early. I just be having mad stuff to do. Like, I can't record all day long. Like, I can't do that. I don't have time for that. Like, actually running a small business and also trying to be like a content creator as well. It's only so much I can do. I don't want to bite off more than I can chew, and then I crash and burn. So yeah, I I want to start recording more of like my earlier morning routine, so later in the afternoon I don't have to worry about picking up my phone and recording and stuff like that. I can just worry about editing all my content and then getting other work and stuff done that I need to do. So my new bottles and stuff should be here tomorrow, and I'm gonna show you guys. I'm really excited. I have my scents picked out. I need to finish making the labels. I gotta get all this done by like next Tuesday or Wednesday, because then I'm gonna rent an Airbnb so we can have a fire photo shoot, y'all, and so I can get some amazing content. And I need to have all this wrapped up by October 31st, so I'm not like trying to stress and run around and be confused like for Black Friday, but like I have like a system and everything in order. And what I have like about a month, I think my deadline is like October 26th to have everything together, so I'll have like a month to like really strategize, line up my content, get my emails together, everything like that. And I'm really excited, y'all. I hope I really do well. If I don't do, I know I'll make back what I put into it, but I will feel better by myself, because I told y'all like for every Black Friday I just kind of be like whatever, last minute. I don't really put a lot into it. So this year I wanted to put a little bit more into it, even though I'm kind of late. I'm very late. Like people plan for Black Friday a whole year in advance, but next year I will be planning for my Black Friday like a whole entire year in advance. Like everything will be mapped out to the T, y'all. But this year I'm gonna put more effort to it than I've ever put into it. I've never put a lot of effort into Black Friday, nothing, but I've always made like a lot of money because I have a lot of people who like really support me, but not enough, not like how I should be doing for Black Fridays. So yes, thank y'all for listening to me rant today. I will see y'all again tomorrow, and I will see y'all when I will see y'all in my vlogs next week. Okay, so look out for those, and I love you guys. Thanks for watching. Have a great Friday.